Drawing a road like this in PowerPoint is quite an easy task. If you take a closer look, the road actually comprises of 4 lines of the same shape, but with different line weights, colors, and styles. Now let's have a look at how we can quickly draw these lines and put them all together. We will start with a blank slide, and we will use the grid systems to help us draw the lines more easily. First, go to the View tab in the ribbon and click at the dialog box launcher in the Show group. Activate the Snap Objects to Grid option and the Display Grid on Screen option. Also, ensure that the Display Smart Guides option is activated. Let's start with the straight line. The trick here is you hold down the Shift key as we draw. This will force a straight line. Next, we draw the arc. Again, hold down the Shift key. This will ensure that the proportions are kept as we draw. Now connect the lines and then drag the lower handle of the arc to create a semicircular arc. Now select both lines, change the color to gray, and change the line weight to 60 points. Next, select the straight line, hold down the Shift and Control keys, and drag the straight line further down the page. By holding down the Control key means that you are making a copy of the object as you drag it, and the Shift key means that you are moving the object in a straight line. Now you may notice the small gap between the curvy line and the straight line. So we need to make a very small adjustment. Let's turn off the grid system for now. Select the curvy line, hit the left arrow once or twice, just enough to get rid of the white gap. Select the curvy line, hold down the Control key to make a copy of it, and do a horizontal flip and connect it to the road. Now let's make the copy of a few more items to complete the shape of the road. Now that we have a complete shape of the road, select all the items by hitting Ctrl A and group them all together. Then make 3 more copies of the road. Leave the first line as is. Select the second one, change the color to white, and reduce the line weight to 55 points. Now select the third one, reduce the line weight to 50. And the last one, change the color to white, line weight down to 3 points, and the dash type to dash. Hit Ctrl A to select all the items again and go to Format, Align. Ensure that the Align to Slide option is selected, and then Align Center and Align Middle. Voila! Now we got the road built. Next, you can just go ahead and add the other elements to complete the story of the slide. Thank you for watching.